In this video, I'm going to talk about the best trend reversal indicator. As you can see on the screen, the reversals are highly accurate. And in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can make the maximum profit by using these reversals. And you must have used a lot of indicators that are available on TradingView, and they have never profited you in the form of reversals, and they provide you very fake reversals. But this video is going to amaze you, and this is going to make maximum profits from the forex, crypto, and the stock market. So before I jump into this video, if you are looking for the best broker that I personally use from 2015, I have given the link of the broker in the description of this video below. This broker offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen, but my recommendation is to go for the standard account, which is the highly great account for lowest commissions, and also the spreads are very well, and you will never have any kind of a problem in case of deposits and the withdrawals. So please find the broker link in the description of this video below. And also guys, if you're looking to get my premium indicator, private indicator, then please contact on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Okay, so this indicator is quite amazing, as you can see on the screen. So first of all, we are going to delete this indicator from our screen, and we are going to the indicator section. Okay, so this indicator is basically based on the trend. So we are going to attach it, and we will explain more things about this indicator while it will be on our screen. Okay, so here you need to write trend intensity. Okay, so when you will write trend intensity on TradingView, then you will see that this indicator is quite a new stuff. Like, it has only 44 likes at the moment, and that is called trend intensity oscillator. Okay, so once we attach this indicator on our screen, so it will have a look just like a RSI. But again, I repeat that RSI is a lagging indicator. So this indicator is going to do wonders for you if you are going to use it in a way like I am going to explain in this video. Okay, so first of all guys, look, this is the gold 5-minute chart. Okay, so when we talk about the reversal of the market, you can see, first of all, you can see the price comes down as we have some sort of levels here on the right hand side. This is the 100 level, and this is the 0 level. So we are only going to talk about the trading that is at the highly overbought and highly oversold levels. And there is a trick to trade that indicator. And what is the trick? That is the main important part of this strategy. If you are going to understand the trick, then it means that your maximum losing trades are going to change into the profitable trades, because the trick is very simple. Right now you can see the price was coming down, and you can see this trend intensity oscillator was also going down, and then you can see here finally it crossed the 10 level, and you will not immediately take any kind of trade. Here you can see it becomes very flat. If you just look at this pattern, then it is a flat pattern. Okay, so if we are going to judge the market here, so what we normally do, we immediately enter into the buy positions on a couple of candles that are going to reverse from that level. For example, let me give you an idea. Like we have two bullish candles here, so you guys think that this is quite enough to go for a trade, so you guys normally take the early entry in that case. But this indicator is highly specialized in this thing, like it properly went up. Okay, and now you can see we have the 20 level, the market is crossing the 20 level, and now you can see the trend oscillator is directed into the upward direction. Okay, now let's judge the market, that where it has provided us with a buy signal. It almost provided us a buy signal, not from here. We have a signal right something here. So in that case, we are going to set up it at a previous low of the market, and now you can see let it go, and you can see the market went to the 100 level. Okay, so we are going to judge that where the 100 level stands. If you look at here, almost we are into the 100 level at this point. Okay, now for example, I'm pretty sure about the new traders who are new to the trading, they must be in a mistake that they must be into the sell positions very early. Like from here might be they are into sell, and now you can see the market is reverse again. But look at the direction of the trend intensity. What it is telling you, that I'm quite straight. So straight means that you don't need to go for a sell, and even there is no need to go for a buy. Wait for the market to if you look at here, we have the green level here. If you look at this green line, so we will wait for the market to at least like break this green line, and the trend intensity oscillator should be directed into the downward direction. Okay, so for example, look at this part. Okay, this was directed down and it was crossing that 80 level. Okay, this is you might be thinking that this is like looks similar to the RSI, but this is something really special. Look at this. This is the Great Britain Pound AUD. Now you can see after the drop, the price is simply flat. It is not advising you to take a buy position due to that flat price. Okay, so what will happen next, that the maximum times what will happen, many people will into the buy position and suddenly you see that the market has again a drop. Okay, so that's the main problem. Now I'm going to show you its effective signals on the different pairs. Like you can see, it's just crossing the, it has just crossed the level here, and now we will wait for the recovery. Okay, let's find some other pairs which are going good. Okay, so for example, this is the sell signal already delivered. You can see directed downward. Now you can go for a sell position. You can set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market. Let me show you some other examples where it has performed. Okay, it was a drop below that. Okay, no problem. So we are going to, okay, look at this. At the overbought, and that was directed downward, and you can see price is sliding down. Okay, now this indicator is like you can use it into forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you deal in. It will be going to help you. Like on USD CHF, it is not suggesting you any kind of a buy unless we do not have a proper crossover. Okay, now you can see this is the overbought levels of the market, but we will not take any kind of a sell position unless the market does not break below the green level. And if you look at here, it breaks here. Okay, so basically the trend, bullish trend started from here, but look at the entry it has provided you here. It means that we have received our entry somewhere here, and now you can see the price is good. Okay, so overall, when we talk about this indicator has a high potential that you can make a lot of profit, because this indicator is giving us a strong communication about the market, where to enter and where not. Okay, and this is going to save you from the early entries that you normally guys take in your daily trading. So guys, this is all about the today's strategy. So what do you think about this strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share this video.